Submitting documents to Apple ID for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that Apple requires for account verification. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Sign into your Apple ID account. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you use the account that you want to submit documents for. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once signed in, locate the account settings section. Look for options related to account verification or document submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any size requirements specified by Apple. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your documents and confirm the submission. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your documents have been successfully submitted for review. Once you have completed these steps, wait for Apple to process your documents. You will be notified about the status of your account approval.